Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix iPhone 17 Pro Max not charging. So if you have this issue, the first thing that you need to check is if the cable is working or not. So you can try to change the cable or charge your iPhone with another cable and see if that works with you. So if the cable is the problem, you need to only change the cable and that will fix your issue. Also, you can try to clean the charging port. Try to clean the port gently with a soft bristled brush or with compressed air, and never ever use the sharp metal objects because that may harm your port. Also, you can try to hard reset your iPhone. As see from here, you can quickly press and release the volume up button. After that, quickly press and release the volume down button. Then you need to press and hold the side button until the screen turns black. So now this will have reset or power off your iPhone. After that, you can turn it on again and see if now it can charge again. One of the last things that you can try to do is to restart your iPhone. So it's an easy step. You can just hold the power button and then you can just power off your device, then turn it on again normally. And if your iPhone is just bugged or have small issue, it can be fixed through this method. So this will refresh your iPhone and can help it recharge again. If nothing works with you, try the wireless charging. So the wireless charging using a wireless charger, as see from here. You need a wireless charger that can be plugged into a power source. After that, you only need to put your iPhone on the charging place and it will charge, as see from here, using a wireless charger. So this is all the methods I have today. Hopefully it fixed your issue. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.